Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and if you're new, what's up, what's good with you? My name is Shani. Thank you so much for clicking to watch this video, and before we continue, make sure you guys are subscribed and turn on your post notifications, okay? Now that all that YouTuber stuff is out of the way. New hair, okay? New week, new unit. We're back to the black. This is my comfort zone. This is my look, and this hair is from HairVivi. This video is sponsored, so thank you so much HairVivi for sponsoring this video. Everything that you guys need to know about this wig will be down below in my description box. If you guys have any more questions about anything that I didn't touch on, just leave it in my comment section and I will get back to you. It's getting a little loud, so let's just go ahead and get into this video. Alright you guys, so I'm starting off with my hair already braided down, and I have some leave out left out because the wig is going to go behind my leave out. But before I put the wig on, I'm showing y'all my braid down, and then I'm going to be oiling my scalp because the scalp needs to be oiled. Yeah, you can't be having a dry scalp, okay? You gotta make sure you take care of your scalp and your hair. So I'm doing that, and I'm putting some oil on my scalp. Now I'm taking this Redken Frizz Dismiss, I think that's the name of it, I'm not sure, but it's a heat protectant, and I'm going to put that on my leave out because I am going to be flat ironing my leave out because it did get a little frizzy. So I'm just coating my hair with that product just to make sure the leave out is protected. If it does get heat damage, it's okay because this is a small section of my hair, so it's not going to make too much of a difference if it does get heat damage. Moving on to the wig that I'm going to be wearing, it's from HairVivi, like I already said. And the unit that I'm going to be wearing is the Fake Scalp 2.0 wig. It's pre-plucked and the knots come pre-bleached, but I did make a lot, well, not a lot of changes. I did make some changes when it came to this wig, like y'all saw. The wig came with some bangs, you can get that added on, and it also comes with hair clips, a comb, and it comes really nicely packaged. So this is the wig after I dyed it and I blow dried it. So I haven't straightened this hair at all. This is how it looks after you blow dry it, which is really nice. It added a little texture to the wig, so I like that. And this is the inside of the wig. Okay, so let me pause the frame real quick because I need to tell y'all the changes that I made to the wig. So this wig came with 4 combs attached to the wig. There's one on the sides of the wig. There's also a comb in the back of your wig where the nape of your neck is. And there was also a comb right here where the frontal stops and the tracks start, but I ended up removing that because I felt like the wig wasn't laying flat, and I don't ever want my wigs to look like it's standing up or it looks like a hill on my head. I just don't like that look. And there's also a adjustable strap attached to the frontal, which makes putting on this wig really easy because once you put this strap and hook the little combs in your head, this wig is laid. Like, you literally don't even have to do anything. Yes, I did make some changes to the wig, but you know, that's just me. Y'all ain't got to do all this. Okay, so this is how the top of the hair looks, and let me get back to the fake scalp part of the wig. I love the fact that they have the fake scalp on this wig. You didn't need a wig cap or anything at all. I'm still not going to use a wig cap. The only reason why I took it off is because it wasn't the color of my skin. It was literally brighter than my skin, so I had to cut it out. And then I also went in and dyed this hair, and I feel like some of the knots got dyed when I was dyeing the hair because this hair wasn't matching my leave out, so I had to dye it like a natural black color because my hair is like super dark. Right here I'm just checking out the color of the wig to see if it took, and I feel like this hair took the dye really well. And I used the watercolor method. I literally took the wig and put it in a bucket of dyed, well, hair dyed water, and I also sprayed the lace part of the wig with Got to Be Glued and let it sit and dry so that the lace on my wig didn't get dyed. So I'm just gonna show you guys where the fake scalp was. It was literally over the whole frontal part of the wig, and it looked really cool. I really should have got a clip of this wig fresh out the box so y'all can see how it looks when it first comes to you, but I really didn't have the time to do that. When I unboxed this wig, I was out of town in a rush, so I had had to literally throw the wig on and go. So this is a very travel friendly wig and you don't have to do much to it. And if you do get this wig and you're wondering how to take the fake scalp out of the wig, it literally comes off really easy. It took me like a minute to take it off. Alright, now that my flat iron has had time to heat up, I'm just going to go ahead and flat iron out my leave out, and I'm using the chasing method. I'm going over my hair once. I'm not trying to put too much heat in it, and yeah, that's basically what I'm doing. That's about it. Okay, so I got my braids, I got my leave out straightened out. Now I'm just going to go ahead and pull this wig over my head. I'm starting from the back and then pulling it up, and then I'm going to take the two combs in the side and delicately, very softly stick them under my braids, because sometimes I feel like the combs pull at my hair. I feel like sometimes my edges can't really take too much tension, so I do it very, very softly. It has nothing to do with the wig, but it has everything to do with my hair and my edges and what it can take, because my hair is really not that thick at all, so I have to be careful with my edges. And another thing, excuse the 5 o'clock shadow under my arms, you know what I'm saying? Just, yeah, excuse that. So I'm just pulling out my edges, as you guys can see, and I'm making my part to match up with the wig, and that's how it's looking. I'm pulling it forward a little bit, and then I'm going to do some baby hairs. Now, as y'all can see, I don't really have a lot of edges right now because I decided to use some bold hold when I was playing with the blonde wig, just to see how it works, and I guess I didn't take the bold hold off right, and it took some of my edges with it. It took a lot of my edges with it, so yeah, I'm in the process of trying to grow them back right now, but I need baby hairs. They're not really baby hairs, my fully grown hair, but we just gonna make it work because it don't look right when I don't have baby hairs. Maybe I'm just used to always having baby hairs, so when I don't do them, it looks odd, but baby hairs are a must, okay? Period, boo. Alright, so this is how the hair is looking. Like I did say, I did just wash this hair, so this is how it looks when it's blow dried. So I was trying to figure out if I wanted to straighten out the hair or not, and I love the ends on this wig. It looks like it's been clipped. They're not straggly or anything like that. They're not dry. They're smooth and flowy. It just looks so good. So that's why I was like, I don't know if I want to straighten this wig out because it looks good right now. But I did decide to like put some heat on the ends of the hair so they won't be too frizzy. So that's what you guys are about to see me do. And I'm really not doing anything at all. I'm just running it through the hair just a little bit. Oh, and this hair is, I think I got 180 density, if I'm not mistaken. And the inches of this wig is 20, but it feels like a 22 because it literally touches the top of my butt. And then the last thing I'm going to do to this wig is just flatten the top of it with my flat iron. I think it's on 100, no, not 100. I think it's on 430 degrees, something like that. But that's all I did to flatten out the top of this wig, and this is a very solid unit. I'm very surprised at the hair texture, and the quality of this hair is so good. It feels super moisturized and silky, kind of buttery when you're running your fingers through the hair. I haven't got a lot of shedding. It does shed a little bit, but it's not excessive. And that's all I really have to say. Alright, you guys, so that is it for this video. Super quick, super easy. I just did my makeup. There is going to be a video on this, so stay tuned for that, and I'll see y'all later in my next video. Or actually, I'll just link another video that you guys can watch on the screen, because maybe you haven't seen it. I don't know. Just watch it again, okay? If you did see it, watch it again. Alright, I love y'all. Bye.
Yeah. I never really talk about dick.